faves. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. And we are starting off the vlogs. We are starting off the vlog this morning with workout shawty. Workout baby D and I ready to go. We're pumped and it's gonna be workout head on this morning. We're on vacation, so yeah, I can get to do that, though it's a little bit after midday. So it's kind of afternoon, not really morning. Tella and I just been chilling around all morning, having breakfast, having mom and son time, chatting on the phone with family, and now it's workout time and he said he want to work out with me, right?
Yeah.
Say morning, Fizz. What are you gonna do?
It's the white.
You're gonna work out with Mama?
The white mama.
Yeah. Put on your shoes. So he said, Mama, I wanna work out with you. So I'm gonna take my boy to work out with me this morning. We're gonna do treadmill, of course, and then a little exercise, and that should do it for today. Baby's off to work, of course. My baby's off to work. I don't know what we're gonna do today, so you just have to stay tuned to the vlogs to see how the day flows, but nothing too intense, nothing too cray today. Put on your shoes. So yeah, that's what's up right now. Hopefully you guys are doing well. Hopefully you guys are motivated to do your workout in, whether it's walking, running, jumping, skipping, whatever it is, just get something done. Just do something, okay? I would say I missed my workout yesterday, but I wouldn't say just that because I walk a lot yesterday. So I think that do just it. I have some Shensia playing in the back, and I'm ready to get this workout in. So sit back, relax, and enjoy today's vlog and get your workout in. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. Let's do this. Go. Oh, he's so ready and excited. Come.
When they thinking I'm coming vibrate like nobody when electricity shock give us. Boy, when me cocky to my gang and give me up to the liquor for me, cause then you make me go.
Whew. You guys, every workout session just keeps getting better and better and better and better and better and better. I am so proud of myself. I'm so proud of baby girl because she's doing amazing and she's enjoying working out with Mama. I walked for 30 minutes this morning and I don't even know how many minutes I did the extension of my workout for, because I was just so zoned in. I was just having so much fun. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, go follow me on Instagram. My link is down below in the description box. On Instagram, I just act a darn fool. I just act a fool on Instagram. I dance, I work out, I post pictures on my Instagram stories. So if you want to see a completely cray side of me, which I think you guys have seen in the vlogs when I'm working out, and just an extreme version of me working out because I can't post the music that I listen to when I'm working out on YouTube because I'll get flagged for it. So I just zoned in and I just work out and I don't care what anybody have to say, and people opinion really don't faze me really. So I just work out and enjoy working out, and I enjoy posting and letting you guys know that anything is possible if your body allows you to, one, if you want to, two, and if you enjoy doing it. Just do it and live in the moment and enjoy it. And I'm enjoying my workout. It was a success. Tyler decided to give up on me. He said he was hungry, so I paused for a bit and made him lunch. So he's eating lunch right now, and I just finished my session, which was amazing. So now I am going to go jump into the shower and get me some food to eat, and then see what else I have up my sleeve for the rest of today. So stay tuned and enjoy the rest of the vlog. You guys, it's straight to putting this little one down for a nap.
That is already finished.
Yes, go like this. Brush them teeth. You don't want no yellow teeth. Make them white and pretty. Go like this. Tight. We don't have much time. Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. We don't want no. Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. Make them. We don't want no green teeth. Brush your teeth, brush your teeth. We don't want no.
Is that your teeth?
We don't want no yellow teeth. Brush your teeth, brush your teeth. We don't want no
Big teeth.
no what?
Big teeth.
You got a big teeth. You're gonna have big teeth one day, like Mama. Look. Is that what you doing? You're funny. Okay, take off clothes and let's go take
You
off.
have yellow teeth.
I have yellow teeth?
Yeah.
Did he just say that? Oh my gosh. Mama don't have yellow teeth.
You have yellow teeth.
Alright, I'm gonna brush them soon, okay? I'm gonna brush them.
No, no, no.
So you won't tell me I had yellow teeth. Okay, we're finished. Turn off the pipe. Turn off the pipe. Bravo! What's wrong with your eye? It's magic make it better. Mama, make magic make it better? Yeah. Magic make it better? Yeah. Somebody's calling Mama. Who is calling Mama? It's you. What's your name?
I did a big sleep.
Yes, you did a big sleep and you look very handsome with your juju on your mouth. Who is this?
Tyler.
It's Tyler. Who's so handsome?
Me.
What's your name?
Tyler.
Tyler. And who is Mama Big Boy?
You.
You? No, you.
You.
Is you my big boy?
You.
You had a good nap?
Yeah.
You enjoyed your nap?
Huh?
You enjoyed your nap?
Yeah.
What did you dream about? You dream about how much you love Mama?
Yeah.
Yeah, give me a big kiss. Mwah. I love you, my big boy. Ah. Okay, go. That was a big nap.
Yeah.
Yeah. Look at him. Yes, big boy.
So, I'm going to have a breakfast now.
You're gonna have breakfast now?
Yeah.
You had breakfast already? How about having a snack? Yes, you only have breakfast in the morning. Yeah. It's not morning now, it's afternoon. Look, it's almost 5 p.m. So now you have snack, and then after snack we have dinner.
Mama,
Yes.
it's not black outside.
I know it's not black outside, but it's afternoon, okay?
Okay.
Okay, go and have a snack. Choose which snack you want. Which snack you're gonna have?
It's the one beside the comfort and pretty bird.
Okay, so take it. Take the one you want. You can't decide? Oh, that's the one you want? What's that one called?
Happy biscuit.
Happy biscuit. It says happy as you are, huh?
Yeah.
All right, let's go have happy biscuit. Would you like to have some juice or some water?
Juice.
What kind of juice do you want? Can you close the snack section now? You want a compote?
Yeah.
Okay, so you're gonna have a compote and the biscuit, okay?
Okay, so just see you.
Mama don't want any, but thank you. That's very nice of you.
You want happy biscuit?
No, I don't want any happy biscuit, but thank you. You're very sweet.
But you like snack?
Yes, I love snack. Just like you.
Which snack you like?
I like a lot of different kinds.
But
Like banana chips and plantain chips is my favorite.
okay.
Would you like me to open the biscuit for you, or you're gonna have the compote first? Which one you gonna have first? The biscuit? Okay. And I'm gonna open the compote too, so when you're ready, it's here, okay? Alright, there we go.
That's another TV.
Please?
Please.
Sure, I can.
Yes, that's I can see what's on.
Okay. He's so old. I can't with my child. Tyler had a super long nap, and I was just here chilling, doing nothing, just resting after I had lunch, because that's what I do today. Rest and more rest, because I had a long day yesterday and I worked out this morning, so a little relaxation was needed. Yes, Ty? Yes, you're right. I'm gonna fix that. Okay, guys, so I can rest no more because I'm really hungry, which means it's time to make dinner. So your girl is in the kitchen, of course, and for dinner today I am making some oven jerk chicken and some vegetable rice. All I'm gonna do is cook some rice and put some corn and green peas in it. What hurt? In where? I soon come. And then I have this cake mix, which I'm gonna bake after. So jerk chicken is going in the oven right now. This is what's going to be used to make the rice, corn, green peas, and then I'm gonna bake this cake. Ty's over there chilling. Yes, Ty?
After dinner, I'm gonna eat breakfast.
Okay. He's obsessed with breakfast. This is dinner for today. That's the rice. That's the oven jerky. And that's the sauce. And I just put the cake in the oven, so that shall finish in 10 to 15 minutes. Hi, you. What you doing? You ready for dinner? Ow! You ready for din? Bella. It's dinner time. Get up, get up, get up, get up. Go take up your book and go to the table. It's dinner time, okay?
Yeah.
You guys, now I can shout on the tip of my voice. Thank you guys for 9,000 subscribers. Oh my gosh. Can you believe that? That's crazy. That's beyond my wildest dream. When I started YouTube, I had zero expectation. Zero. Because if you guys know my story, you guys know that I had no idea what I was doing. Good job, baby. I had no idea what I was doing. I didn't know what to expect. I just started posting small few second clips of Tyler, and then that leads into doing videos of us, and then that leads to vlogging, and vlogging leads to daily vlogging.
Yes, it's a police SUV.
Good job. That's the personality why I started YouTube. This kid right here. Him. And look at us now. 9,000 family members. That's amazing. We love every single one of you. Thank you guys. My husband is working late tonight, so I don't know if you guys will see him. Maybe he vlogged, maybe he didn't. Anyway, you guys, I am here waiting on this cake to be finished, which is gonna be finished any minute now. Dinner was good. Baby D's happy. Look at her. Happy girl in mama's stomach. Happy. And Tyler ate. He did so well. Look at her plate. That's the finished look. Can you tell we ate well? Yes, Ty. Okay. Alright, you guys, and that's the outcome of the lemon cake, and I already started. I can't wait. I burned me on my tongue. Jesus. Anyway, you guys, here goes dinner. Dinner done. As you reach home, look how hot my husband look in his outfit for work. Honey, you're sexy. Ty, you can't let Papa reach home properly. Oh my God, I need a picture of you right now. Which book we're going to read tonight?
This.
What it says?
Tyler the dinosaur.
Tyler the dinosaur. Ready?
Yeah.
I have to come under the cover with Mama. You guys, look who's home.
Hi guys, you can hear my voice. Not good, not good. I got something from one of the two.
Hey, Papa, you did it correctement.
Or maybe I got something from somebody outside. Yes, Tyler?
You did
Put the
it
blame on us. Put the blame on us.
Yeah.
You guys, baby's home and he's not feeling so well. His voice is leaving him. He's coughing just like I was. I'm still coughing, but not as bad. Tyler is heading to bed right now, so we're doing book, and then we're just gonna leave it here for tonight. Tyler,
Yes, Mama.
say night night, faves.
Night, night,
Look up. Be up there.
Night, please.
See you guys
Tomorrow.
Mom.
Alright, you guys, we're gonna leave it here. Won't give you guys no expression and nothing. We're just gonna leave it here, do books on my Bible, and then we'll see you guys tomorrow. Subscribe, catch fun, keep up with the fam bam.